Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make slushy slime. The first step is making a classic clear slime. For this, add your glue first, then add warm water, and then stir that slowly until they're properly mixed. Once that's done, add your coloring. I used 1 drop of blue because I wanted it to be really light. Then you can add your activator. I'll be using borax from now on, which is 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 2 cups of warm water. But if you're not comfortable with that, you can use whatever you want. I added my activator in a little at a time, just because I want my slime to be the perfect consistency. You'll want your slime to be a little sticky, just so it can hold all the slushy beads. Now add the slushy beads to the slime. I folded my beads in a little at a time, but you can do whatever you think works best. Don't forget to play with it over the bowl for a few minutes, just to let the extra beads come out. My slime was really pretty and super crunchy when it was done. If you let the slime sit for a few days, the beads will float to the top and make a hardish layer that's really satisfying to break through. Now we'll be adding 2 mini slushy beads to our slime. I did break the slime in half so I could keep using one side. The slime ended up really crunchy, but the beads kept falling out and it didn't hold together very well. It did grow a lot, however. I decided I wanted to fix it, so I mixed it with the other half of the slime that I had taken away and then added warm water and glue to it and a tiny bit more activator until it became this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great videos like this.